In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop window capture in OBS Studio. By the end, you'll know the fastest, most reliable way to trim away unwanted edges, like menus, borders, or notifications, so your scene looks clean and professional. First, open OBS Studio. Give it a moment to load your current scene. We'll be working with an existing window capture source, so make sure you already have one added to your sources list. This is the source that shows a specific app window, like a browser or an editor, rather than your entire display. Next, click on your window capture source to select it. You can do this either from the sources list at the bottom or by clicking the source directly in the preview area. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box around it with red handles along the edges and corners. That red outline means you're in the normal transform mode. If you don't see the outline or can't interact with the source, double check that the source isn't locked in the sources panel. Now for the key step, press and hold the Alt key on Mac keyboards. This is the Option key. Keep it held down the entire time you want to crop. Holding Alt changes how those handles behave. While holding Alt, click and drag any of the red squares inward. Dragging a side handle crops just that side. Dragging a corner lets you crop both directions at once for quicker framing. Aim to trim off any window chrome, toolbars, or empty space you don't want visible. If you need to fine-tune, make small drags and pause to check the result in the preview. You can repeat this on as many sides as needed until your content is framed exactly how you like it. As you crop, notice that the border color changes from red to green. That green outline is OBS's way of telling you you're cropping the source, not resizing it. If the border turns red again, it usually means you've released the Alt key, so just press and hold it again before dragging. To undo or reduce a crop, keep holding Alt and drag the handle back outward until the green border reaches the edge of the content again. When you're done, release the Alt key and you're back to normal scaling and positioning. That's it. Open OBS Studio, select your window capture, hold Alt, drag the handles to crop, and watch for the green border to confirm the crop. With just this technique, your scenes will look cleaner and more focused, and your viewers will see only what matters.